Last week I reviewed the first real control pad from Artisan, the Type99, so we still have one more newcomer left, which is the Artisan K83, which we'll be taking a look at now. Artisan packaging is the same, a big envelope in which the pad comes shipped flat. This time though, immediately after unboxing you can see this structured surface pattern, which is exactly what makes this pad so special. Dimensions of my pad are 490 by 420 by 4 millimeters, but it's also available in different sizes too, as well as multiple hardnesses: mid, soft and X-soft. Mid will be the hardest one, slightly faster and more consistent. Then the soft, which is the one I have here, a bit softer with a bit more stopping power. And then the X-soft. It will be quite soft, so watch out, because your skates or mouse will sink easily into it. Now that we know that my K83 is the XL soft version, we can talk a bit more about it. Base is spot on, you can't go wrong with that. Stitching is flawless, artisan quality, beautiful, soft, and also under the surface, so it won't bother you a single bit. But what about the surface itself? I only have one word for that, and that is consistency. For me, this is the most versatile mousepad Artisan offers, and that's without question. The surface is nice to touch, not anywhere as nice as last week's Type99, but still comfortable, with noticeable texture that you can not only feel, but also see. The threading is interesting, and it's also what makes this pad, according to Artisan, have very little X and Y difference. From my experience, I can only confirm that because K83 is a mousepad I felt almost none X and Y difference on. The consistency between X and Y is incredible. I can't even say how perfect it felt using this pad. Yes, it's no speed pad, so there's noticeable static and dynamic friction, but even the friction is perfectly matched to each other. I truly have to say that K83 is the most consistent Artisan mousepad I've ever used. What adds to the use comfort is also a fact that you can use it both barehanded and with a gaming sleeve on without issues. Regarding speed, as I've said, there's some static and dynamic friction. Static is noticeable but not annoying in any way. This pad definitely won't slow you down, it will rather help you with stability. Dynamic was also very comfortable. I've never felt being slowed down significantly, but again, it added to the mouse movement stability. I also have here my old Hien, which was used and abused, and I would say speed-wise, they feel basically the same. And yes, that means that a new Hien will feel a bit faster than a new K83. On the other hand though, K83, even with its texture, feels nowhere as abrasive on the skin as Hien does. And when it comes to gaming, both playing tacfps shooters where stability and holding angles is the key, and more tracking heavy games felt awesome. I've never felt like it held me back, quite the opposite. K83 was super versatile for any type of game I threw at it, and that's exactly why I deem it the most versatile pad, especially when it comes to Artisan's lineup. Because of this, if you can decide which Artisan pad is for you, I would advise you to pick up the K83 in mid or soft, because this is the answer to all your problems. And even after spending 80 euros on it, I can guarantee that after you start using it, you won't regret it. And of course, you won't regret liking this video and subscribing. Here is another one, and I'll see you again next Friday. Bye!